had to. He had to order them from the vendor and to have them shipped by air because they were missing out of all the 1/5 scale F-86 kits.
What you have in that?
Who?
An 80?
This one, yeah, 85. It's a Coit. Should be just an easy maiden because so far they've been running perfectly, flying perfectly. I mean,
Yeah, it's a good airplane.
yeah. 85 is even a pretty strong motor for that size, so it should be an 85 should rock. Of course, the cloud cover sucks.
It's not too bad.
I mean, for the camera,
Oh,
I can't see
I
it.
can see it good enough.
Yeah.
Is that a maiden?
Yeah.
Who is that? Who's flying?
I'm not sure.
Anthony's flying it, I thought.
Oh, Anthony's flying? What is it though?
Yeah, it's a,
MB-339
Oh.
from Pacific Jets. It's got a Decoy 85 in it.
Oh.
Pacific RC Jets.
I was here, I broke it up. Anthony was doing a waiver and these two guys wanted to fly. And Anthony came walking back down the taxi when I said, when he gets here, let's try to interview him. And I said, let me figure out what happened first. He goes, no, that was no problem.
Just keep flying right through the cloud.
And Anthony said,
I don't know, I can't see.
Camouflage is working, that's the problem.
I know.
they were doing a waiver.
I'm just waiting for it to get on the outside again so I can see it. So far, it looks okay.
Bunch of birds up there.
Yeah, I need to hopefully have mine out here in a couple of weeks if it gets all the parts.
It takes me months, sometimes years to test flying airplanes.
I know it does. Sometimes it does.
I got my Ultra Flash finished for almost a year and I haven't brought it out to fly yet. Did you ever fly up at the Edwards field there? Up by Edwards Air Force Base?
I don't believe I have. I don't think I've been out that way.
You have to get permission to go there because you're on a military base.
Right.
But they're supposed to have a runway so big that it spoils you.
It sounds like crows up in up north.
This is Model Masters or something.
Looks okay. They keep cutting way short though.
Yeah, it doesn't want to go that far that way.
Yeah, I keep going through the cloud. I'm losing it in the cloud. It's hard to focus on it.
Hold on, let's figure this out. And that's what I did.
What radio does he use?
I'm sorry?
What radio does he use?
I believe he's got an IX-20.
That's Spectrum.
Yeah, correct. You don't use Spectrum?
No, I use Jetty.
It's about half and half out here, I guess.
I've been using Jetty for about 7 years.
Yeah.
That's what I know.
So you're one of them.
They used to have Spectrum.
You made the switch though. Never look back, huh?
That's the case. Although I'm messing around with Fry Sky right now. That looks interesting.
You're trying to do the FR Sky?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm converting some gliders to it.
Right.
It's a handful of them.
Their technology is similar to Jetty, so, but you know but Spectrum still does a lot too. Just depends on how you look at it. Just different. Just doesn't have that fancy 900 megahertz backup like the look at he's coming in for landing. So. Don't mess up the landing. No, I'm talking about me, not him. I suck at it. I'm sucking at the landing here because I'm losing it behind the board.
He can land.
Landing's not